my people, how na day this Kajad afternoon? Yes, your Talk ladies, we have come and sit down on top Tuesday. Tuesday now always our real life issues day. So today good day very, very sweet because to get some stories them and even some things them where they concern everyday people. So that I just want to know one word, life it gets your own stages. Sometimes you go day good, sometimes you go day bad. But not let the bad spoil the good, I beg. So you go need to open your eye so that you go identify when your good time don't reach. My name is Uvi Ehiga Musoy, and the ladies them they go introduce themselves one by each.
Yes, my name is still remain Betiana Unweli, and we don't come again on Top Tuesday matter.
This smile. My name is Maka Okudiafana. Good afternoon. Hope na enjoy una, yesterday, our motivational talk of yesterday. Hope na still try carry our mental today, because today right now we will talk about our real life issues. And we would like to contribute. Issues.
All right, my people. Now, dear, my own name still remain Kwembi. I don't understand what it. And again, better I just bring down the vibe. We be lift them up.
Una say I today hash. They try this sexy now.
My name still remain Kwembi.
Oh, that was trying to be.
That was trying because I know I know it.
Every time when Queen Bee want to introduce her name, now then we all know they listen to her.
Because you know when they bring up
you know what? We go keep quiet so you go call your name.
Yes, I keep quiet.
So that people feel hear your name.
Can't keep me quiet.
But then I no go keep quiet.
No, but
my
just say
name
your
now
name.
Kwembi.
So all right. So to start off today, we always give you our letter from viewers. So you, if you want to send us any letter, if they go through any vacation, just send them. Come give us for our email address, right?
yes.
Our email address, and then you go to scroll for your TV screen, send them to us, and we go read them out so that everybody go pull them out inside. Letters from our viewers.
This one will come. Actually, I did confused. I don't know, because it gets something that say just leave them under bread. No matter how you decorate your house, Rich, no matter how the thing they find, just leave them under bed. What thing happened? This letter we get them from Esther. Esther says she be 28-year-old. She come from Ibadan. She say, at the age of 18, before I write my SSC, now I get belay for my secondary school boyfriend. My mom na deaconess for CAC Church, that's Christ Apostolic Church. She said na deaconess, everybody respect her for the church, and they no go expect say make me carry belly. Inside pain, anger, and confusion, now my mom take the think all this one, but still, she no still consider abortion. Her younger sister don't marry 6 years ago, but she never still born as at then. Now my mom come talk to her sister, and her sister invites me, say make I come stay with them for Kogi State. She and her husband say I go fit stay there, born the pikin. After I born the pikin, I will continue my education. She say everything go as we plan am. After I born finish, I come back to Ibadan to come meet my mom. I leave the pikin with my auntie. Come meet my mom and my dad, and I go back to school. Now, 10 years after, I don't go school. I don't finish. I don't dey work. This one is my first year where I start to dey work. For where I dey work, now I don't meet. Okay, for church where I dey serve, for where I dey now, I don't meet somebody who like me and we don't plan to marry. He don't even go meet my parents and we don't talk about marriage and they don't already fix the wedding dates. But now, the main secret. Talk ladies, make una help me. Make I tell the man say na me born the pikin, or make I no tell him. Because number one, my auntie and her husband, they act as father and mother, because now the father and mother where the child know. Then again, the father of the same pikin, since the time when she get belle till today, no communication. Talk ladies. Now, now we see the letter we will get with that from Esther. Even though we changed the name, just to take switch them up, because she still ask question whether may she let the cat out of the bag or may she still keep them as family secrets. So for talk here, we will talk our opinion like we always talk on every matter where they trend. But today will be our real life issues. We go try to chook our mouths, and you self get opportunity to chook your mouth inside this one. Go on top of Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Go on top of Facebook Talk Wazobia. Make you talk give us what you think say Esther supposed to.
For me, I just believe say one thing where they kill marriage is not secrets.
Okay.
Too much secrets. I believe say if you don't ready say you want married person, you will need to tell them all the secrets where you need to know. Because if you're not married today and tomorrow you hear from somewhere else, if he cause biggie for inside the family. Okay. Now for Esther, where some kind things don't happen. She don't born pikin before, and the man where she want marry now, no say she don't born pikin before, and now she they ask us talk lady say what did she go do? Make she tell the man or make she not tell the man. I go actually tell you say make you tell the man, because if the man really love you, he go accept you and your baby. Just tell the man. For me, make she tell the man.
Okay.
I don't see any reason why she need to keep this in her secret.
Yeah, but you need to understand something again. The auntie till date never born, and that pikin name be the pikin where the auntie they look as her own child. When she born the pikin, even breast milk, she no exchange with that pikin.
Even though
You understand? And the husband of the auntie, they don't take the pikin, they don't adopt the pikin. Say, okay, we'll go father this child. We go now like family secret. Your own opinion say, may she tell Betiana.
Now 50-50.
Okay.
For me, first of all, the first part of the 50 where I want to talk now say, because the pikin from waiting you talk, not even know her as mama.
No.
Now the
know her
auntie
as
and the
auntie.
uncle, now in the pikin know as mama and papa. So if she knows that she wants clean slate, she wants fresh start with her husband, she feel decide say okay, she won't forget that part of her life. May she start a new life. May she forget say that one ever happened. Say the pikin and her niece. Even though I know say it go dey very difficult, but if now she wants him, if she feels say na a threat to her marriage, she feel do him like that. But on the other hand, she got to think because anything will happen. What if in the future she no fit born another pikin?
Okay.
And she never tell the husband. Now serious gbege be that one, because if she never tell the husband, say okay, I don't get pikin from nowhere, and then all of a sudden you won't tell your husband, say you be done born before, and that pikin way in they look like your niece, because definitely when they marry, the girl fit decide say, oh, I want to go stay with Auntie Esther. They go come the house, come visit them, do holiday, and the husband they look at as niece. Or God forbid the husband and all these stupid people where be say if she come do holiday, and one or two things go lead to another, and the girl get belle, so your husband go come give your pikin belle. I don't know, different factors there inside. So she needs to actually sit down, think long term. Not be about the now, not be about now.
Okay.
She needs to think about different possibilities of things where will happen in future, where go affect her life as a woman, as a wife, as a mother in general. And then she needs to think about the pikin too. If tomorrow the auntie decide, okay, the auntie decide, or one way or the other, the pikin find out, saying that she actually be mama way born am, how that pikin won't feel? She don't grow now. We accept say when that thing happened now, when she still be pikin, she did very naive, she don't know left from right. But now she be full grown woman. She don't finish school, she don't dey work. So she needs to make that decision by herself. Nobody go help her make her.
and she knows her right from wrong
And
now,
she knows her
done
right
a
from
full-grown
wrong.
woman.
So she needs to make that decision by herself now.
What if tomorrow the pikin they sick one kind sickness where be say now let the mother and I feel
Now why I say if she
You
find out
understand?
one way, because
and then
that
the
one
man
said
find out,
they
the man go there very hot. If you fit keep this kind of secret for me, then you fit kill me. No say men that they always add in, if you fit keep secret from them, then you fit kill them.
Kill them.
For me, just talk.
Talk. All right, Amaka, what do you think? She need help from the doctor ladies.
She don't make the mistake.
All right. Mistake.
You know the mistake, what I will call mistake?
Okay.
You go Kogi or Kaduna, where she say she go?
Kogi State.
Kogi
person.
State. Go born the pikin.
Yeah.
It be like say, to me, if that child grow up, the child go say, you abandoned me.
Okay.
That is called abandonment. Now, she born the pikin, leave her. Not be the parents be that. Even if they adopt the pikin, even if they are her auntie or uncle or whoever those people be, she don't abandon that pikin. If that pikin grow up, finally become somebody, say, okay, I want to know my real parents. Or those people somehow, maybe, God forbid bad thing, those people die. Excuse me, the child he get right to know everything about himself. He go want to know him papa, he go want to know him mama. Then by that time, she go already marry, they one place with her husband, everything, and she never tell the husband, say, I get pikin. As them talk, it go better, sit down, think am, digest am. Tell you, if not to tell your husband, like I always talk, say you need to know the kind of husband when you get.
Okay.
Before you even marry the husband, you go don't know the husband. Now they don't talk say they won't marry. She go know the type of husband where she gets. She know say if I tell her this kind of thing, it go vex. If I don't tell her this kind of thing, it go vex. So better make you know the study am. Know the time when you go fit sit down tell am.
All right.
That if that the best, you just tell am.
And if she don't fit tell her, make she come and talk ladies, we go help and tell her.
Yeah, that's she actually they confused. Actually, they watch us right now. She they actually confused. That's why she actually wants make we help her. She wants to make we talk to her and waiting be our opinion or waiting people think about them. But for me, I think some secrets, I still they talk on some secrets, better they secrets. Number one, if she at the age of the pikin now, if you start tell the man, say na my pikin, and I know they look say the man fit go. If he go, yes, somebody else go come, because you know born dog or animal where people they run from you. Now still human being you born. That one the truth done they establish already. Now pikin you born. Now the pikin go start to they ask for the father, and she no even know where the father they right now, because the two of them they young, and the mom look and say, I be Christian, I no fit tell my pikin say go do abortion. What if she do abortion and the thing can lead say next time she no fit born again? That's why the mom actually take that risk, say born for somebody else, bless somebody with the fruit of your own. That's why they do surrogate parents. You understand? You born, you get pregnant for person. Even though I understand that one saying based on agreement, you born the pikin and you leave them to waiting they won't use the pikin do. But in another way, when you look at them again, this one are like family secrets. Now you go destabilize the child. Even if you prove to your husband, say, okay, yes, now me born the pikin. What about the child? What about if she wake up tomorrow, can start to ask, say, okay, who be my father? How you start to look for them? Now you leave your husband where you don't marry. Now you start to look for the husband. The man know that's the father of the pikin. The man no bother because he know about him. You know about and say you've been born for him. You know about say your mother no been agree for you to go do abortion. So like you talked the first time, me I think say now 50-50. I think now 50-50.
But at the same time, if you know if he conclude, say the man no bother at all. Because if he be say the man there somewhere they find him and he no know where he dey. Anything may happen. Like no just do that conclusion.
Even if the man no bother, it is the woman. Now the woman get the. She's supposed to tell the pikin see as it take be, and the pikin go understand. You know go tell them say
not be all children.
Not be all children go understand.
That is why you try to make the pikin understand.
Family secret now the most deadliest secret ever.
Yes.
Because when it come out, a lot of bigger they happen.
Okay,
so
but
for me, make she just come outside say the truth.
Sam,
There is no 50-50
clear
here
the
for
air.
me.
Okay,
Just
but
come
you know
outside,
say
clear
no
the air.
family on this earth will no get secrets.
Oh,
Yeah,
definitely.
Family
But-
get secret. But when
Some
the
our
secret
parents
come
die
out,
without. Yeah, but what if you not let them out and everything quench, everything go as
One,
planned? Like
this
Fula
one
wanna
are
do?
making-
No, but
the
because
child is
her
involved.
husband, they become part of the family.
Of
so
course,
he
yes.
need
Child is
to know
involved.
the secrets
And as you
eventually,
speak,
because this
right
is not
about
secret wey go
now-
affect him if affect the husband last.
The pikin
if
don
he
turn
come
10-year-old.
outside.
Yes, the pikin na
What are we
10-year
saying?
old.
The pikin are 10-year-old right now.
So, but me, if she go tell the husband my own, the honest truth, if she go tell the husband, may they not tell the child, because it go actually, I just feel,
No,
tell
no,
your
no,
husband,
yes,
may your
better.
husband
Better.
accept, say, oh, you've been done bomb before,
Yes,
but see the
better.
secret. But not say, they can't call the pikin, say, then the girl can't grow up, then they can't say, who be your father?
Okay.
No,
She'll
I
come
mean, I don't
dey
even go for you.
understand.
I don't even go for
Okay.
you calling the child to say
That
the
one
child
dey
say.
okay.
Person
Yes,
where you don't
I
grow up with
agree,
your
tell the
mother
father,
and
but not tell the
But
child.
tell the man when you want marry. I just believe say if they get before now, I believe say they get some kind secret you're not supposed to tell your spouse or the person when you want marry.
But we don't take out for this.
Like how many people you don't be
Dey
with, you don't
with.
date with, how many times now don't
and if
you
you ask
understand
you,
certain
what
things.
you go do?
But I just believe say
You go just
if-
tell him, honey, you get some things where you're not supposed to know.
Because I don't want to know your own.
because not be all of them feel handle them.
Yes, because I don't want to know too.
Sure. So today I believe say most of us, majority of us don't tell Esther say you go need to come outside talk the truth.
People to go check
Yes,
mouth.
and
Don't go
people
here.
need to check them out inside. They will need to enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Cocoa of the day.
Yeah. We get a cocoa of the day, oh, straight up. As in the story just this time, bring me down because I really call it pity that pikin.
Stand
Say-
up. Sit up.
Okay, straight up. Cocoa of the day. What do you go do if you found out, say, your parents do some kind otumokpo for your head? They just plant something for your head, carry you go somewhere, do something for your head, talk, say, you no go progress for life. Your own parents, so no be say another person. Your own parents carry you go somewhere, don't do something for your head, talk, say, you no go progress for life. What you go do if you find out, say that kind of thing happen for you?
I want to ask question on top of that your question.
If you want to talk Wazobia, may you give us your own opinion. I don't think better than I go first, but I will talk this thing. But yeah, better than you talk.
Okay,
So you still talk?
yes. The parents do automokpo, say the pikin no go move forward in life.
Yeah, you no go
and
progress
then
in
no do am.
Yeah, now.
So then do am say okay, make the pikin.
No, maybe in our exchange.
Yes,
Now
so
wait,
then
now
family
wait, now wait,
something.
I wan ask.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
Make
for
the
something.
pikin ICK transfer to them.
Yes, we
you
don't
happy?
see.
No,
for
I
movie.
want really
We don't see
understand
for
the
movie
clear
where they go
picture
say
of
the-
the
the
question.
They
pikin
get their
blessing.
own. They get their own ulterior motive.
Now why then do
Now
am?
why they do am?
Yes.
Okay, so wetin I go do to the parents, abi to the situation?
This if you find say that can't happen to you, what you go do?
I don't know whether I'll feel forgive that parent. That no, I don't know whether I go fit forgive that parent, because this is not something where you know say go affect me for the rest of your life. Now you be say you dey selfish. You only think about your own. You no bother about the one where you be say na you God use as the vehicle to drive me into the world. So if I kpai, now me say you no consign you. So why I won't care about person when no care about my own welfare?
Because then bring a come world.
So
You see, this now it go back to that saying where we say, oh, mama na mama, papa na papa. Yes, people they do this thing. I don't see one way do deliverance one time where the parents talk say na only they say na him be the only pikin way the parents go born for life. That's the mother and the father. Now the mother star, according to the Babalawo, say the mama star na him go carry the man up, but the woman na only one pikin she go born, but the man get chance to born plenty children. But because two of them don't come agree, okay, use my star to make money, now you be the husband, then the woman can't tell the husband, you shall not marry another man, now only that one pikin now we get. But they need to refreshing the otumokpo. According to Babalawo, now the contour say now the pikin star, now they go use the pikin go just day useless, it go just day life, but it no get used. Even when they die, the money go still there, but the pikin go day useless, and they do them. You understand?
So what do you go do if that kind of thing happen to you?
I go first look for God first, because Baba is saying thing. They say, who is he that saith a thing and it comes to pass when God has not said it? Who be the person?
Mommy G.
before you continue, Mommy G, I want to ask you a question. Like that pikin where you said the pikin they useless.
Okay.
How the useless pikin want to find God?
No, let me tell you, in midst of all these things, I understand. God damn, the child they innocent. You know they. Inside that innocence, somebody, God, even when you no matter how somebody they useless, no matter, you still get one thing where you go do, and God know how you go orchestrate that thing, the meeting with somebody where go lead down to somewhere.
So position yourself in
so
that
if not
position.
me, if not me, now my parents like you talk, I know go fit change them. But seriously, like Betiana talk, forgiveness not something very very big. You need to get space for your heart to feel forgive people. I no go feel forget them, but I will leave the family. When I mean leave, I go move to where they no go even know whether they exist. Now my own kind of bitterness with that. That's I go now transition now. I go leave that phase. Then maybe where I can go. Maybe God go help me out. Then even if then I know they go. That's how my own bitterness is. So forgiveness to say to your face, you know, they enough. My own act according to it.
In brief, what you go do?
No, make we go break. Take us on a break, please.
Okay, that's about now. We need to go sell small market. By the time we come back, I hope 1 year waiting we get to talk on this matter. We dey go break, we dey come back. We so you don't need for discussion.
All right, we don't come back. But for me, as regards our cocoa of the day, you think you go do if you find out say your parents do some kind of tomokbo for your head where they make you not progress. What you go do if you find out I'm not going to ever forgive my parents. Yeah, number one, I'm not going to ever forgive them. Number two, I go sit them down because they say give out to Caesar what you belong to Caesar. Okay, what you don't do now? I feel undo them. How they feel undo them? We go sit down and do meeting on top of because I don't know of one family where it actually happened to. They then no know what the mother they go through and then she guys use the picking head take do the kind of badness where they do and the contact say and they're not supposed to do celebrations for the family. Now this one boils down to our letter from viewers. Secret in the family. One day when the thing open, big go happen. Now the girl want marry, she don't big now, she want marry. They not tell celebration. They not tell her say you're not supposed to do celebration. She go do celebration, they do marriage and everything. 5 days after the marriage, this girl die.
I lie.
5 days after the marriage. 5-7 days after the marriage, this girl died. Now not be just story where they hear from afar. Now story where happened to person where they close to me. Now later they come the papa can come outside talk say, sorry, this now waiting happen or when you young they say no celebration for the family. Say him forget self, saying don't ever do that kind of thing before. So I wonder now where the girl don't go, only picking. Now where the girl don't go, I wonder what thing go happen. But for me, I not go forgive my parents and we go need to undo one. If
we
that
need
thing
to
where you
undo
give
it.
am to, not
But
fit
you
undo
know-
am, I go my papa God.
God
Eh.
to help us.
Secondly, yes, my papa God in heaven because now only him fit undo anything. wey
When you
parents
think
undo.
say because of what you talk now, is it okay for us to like ask our parents like again?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Family
yes.
secret.
I don't
yeah.
ask my sister.
Yeah,
I don't ask. Not be say I suspect my parents, but I just ask say anything don't ever push you now one day to just do some kind or to curse. You know, say parents wey they curse. I just want to know, mommy, you don't, or daddy, I don't ever curse mistakenly. Let's just pray about it now. Make we come out and
Because
from the
they say
family,
this
because-
tongue, they're very,
Oh,
very
oh,
dangerous.
Very
Yeah.
dangerous.
Wow.
All right, from there we could go into waiting day hot. You know, say we dey always give you waiting day hot. Now, this our first story concern one Nigerian woman wey don't die after she meets her married lover on top Facebook.
No.
Now, they talk say this woman will be Adekemi Faborum. Say she don't die after her first meeting with married man where she meet on top Facebook, according to one online news medium. They talk say this teacher so with a primary school for inside Ogba say she meets this married man where they call Christopher Ezekiel online some time ago, and they can start to do online relationship. They communicate on top phone no, and also through Facebook messages. Now 2 years later, they can agree to meet for the first time. They
After
agree to
2
feast
years.
after 2 years. They can agree to meet for the first time. Ezekiel can't live in wife with 2 children for inside Ibadan because now you know like say he never marry. He tell the girl say I don't marry, and he can come down to Lagos where he can stay for inside this Adekemi house for Ogba. Now trouble can start when Adekemi she start to dey cough in the middle of the night. People, concerned neighbors can come. This man dey for inside the room. Oh. Neighbors can come say wetin dey happen, wetin dey happen, wetin dey happen. They come rush her to the hospital where she for die. Now the man dey answer question for inside police station. I just dey wonder wetin the man go tell you as in,
The family.
honey, I dey for inside prison. Wetin happen? I go sleep for woman house. Oh.
No. Honey, where you dey? I dey Lagos.
Na the
No
first
be
one
work
be
you say
that.
you dey go. Yes, I go Lagos. Now from there I come meet one my friend. But now I dey police station. Wetin happen? Sha come Lagos. Tell me wetin happen.
Now my sisters, because plenty people don't come outside thought say this one has to do with Facebook. You know, say we don't always talk about Facebook and Facebook and Facebook. But you really believe say this particular story, you get any connection with Facebook?
I don't feel say anything dey inside. Now 2 things. You na Ibadan the man come from. I sorry for my Yoruba brothers and sisters. We don't see so many magic wey dey happen for Yoruba. If it be say the wife don't put make him no do
Tell
for
you.
him own body, so anybody wey do it go enter trouble because she go eventually know.
Nice
You understand? If
thinking.
it be say the wife put am na Ibadan people, they get am well Yoruba, Ibadan and Abeokuta people and Osun, they do am well.
Wow.
As in well. Once the woman go dey loyal, she dey drink garri with you, but don't dare cheat on her because hey, she go show you say e no easy. Or the teacher know well, when e normal. Oh,
Just unfortunate.
if you know well, it just happen say she
Na that
never
time wey
swim
the man
here for a
come.
very long time. Somebody come jiggy her, turn her upside down. Blood don't go where e no suppose go, and you understand. If you be saying no be everybody way, they work out for it, no be everybody way.
They
So
go just
now
make
2
slap them
ways.
and
So whichever one, we pray make God deliver am from this one.
Wow.
Mona try zip up.
I believe in a way,
Only una wives.
in a way, I go still blame online dating somehow. No, because not be everything. Yes, not be all the online dating get fault,
Okay.
but I go still blame am. We don't. It's not be every time you go dey believe in. We don't. So many things don't happen on top of this online dating. Some people don't pay. Some people don't do yes. Some people don't dey successful. But at the same time, we need to be very careful.
Okay.
Unfortunately, na her last stop with this one. She no see am again. I go just talk say small fault dey, and at the same time the man, if you go answer query, may just open the mouth talk through wetin you go find for Lagos. Because na Facebook carry am come Lagos. The girl don die. Her family fit even don believe say na the man kill am. So obviously, if the man enter prison and the girl family come, they go tell am say na this man kill our pikin. That's it. Yeah, go.
For me, I know before I did against online dating, but after a period of time, I don't see people where it be say you don't actually work for. And concerning this particular story, this is now after 2 years, and they eventually
So
meet.
the
I
man
feel
don't
say
get-
if the man been get any ulterior motive, probably if I don't do them earlier, because who gets time 2 years to dey plan badness? You need
So
to be,
you
you
go
need
shock.
to dey insane for you to do that one. But then I don't know whether the man dey insane. But on the other hand, for me, Facebook no get anything to do with this one, because when they say meet friends on Facebook, they don't say go each other house. They're not saying now they begin dates. Now just a media site where you say if you meet people and share each other ideas and opinions. No, you know they necessarily say okay because you be friends for Facebook, you go be friends for real life. I don't owe you anything because say we they follow ourselves on top Twitter or on top any other social media. You understand? So for me, online dating don't get anything at all to do with this one. And like Queen B talk, any different factors we don't contribute to this one. Maybe the girl they been sick before, or maybe at that particular time where there are two of them be they don't send the girl arrow from village because I did watch one film. I did watch one film yesterday where be say this one the husband and the wife they're together. Now that particular time then they say arrow then they fight. They say arrow give the girl. They can't say that the husband killed the girl. Anything if it happens. So
You know the ones you
I
also
tell you.
remember. You know say if it dey possible, it don't fit dey possible. Say the man and the wife don't plan am.
say waiting.
And if you
The girl
also
go die
they,
on
if
their
you also
leg.
they not possible, say they not plan am. Say na magu, I better
Magu.
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 Now the woman do for
Now
the
it
man.
happen,
But
yes.
I don't know whether you get okay to say this, but this one will be advised to married men with they out there. We don't get plenty cases where we don't say married men will learn from this one, but they're not today.
They're not
They
they
Okay,
learn.
but what of
learn.
if my young boy she dey date and the young boy come
They
then
go
date
still say
together
one
and the
use
guy
her head
dey- You
climb.
understand? So no, all those factors no dey. My own be say
Alright,
okay.
it happen now. The guy, another person learn from him, and sometimes you go learn from him, you go miss better thing.
But you know, say we're not going to talk this matter finish. Enter Twitter, talk, Wazobia, go talk your own for inside there. Now, this particular story now one where we need to talk about today because now real life story, true, and they happen to this particular girl. Now, Lizzie, she just be 17 years where she discovered, say, online, they don't name her as the world's ugliest woman.
Whoa.
Just
And
like
they
that.
don't- just like that. And the video where they put on top online, about 4 million people for inside Wobodo the world now don't watch this video. Now this brave Texan, she they suffer from a condition we not people not to know about, and only 2 other people for the world now actually don't get this condition where she gets. But you know what? We don't need to talk too much. Just watch this video.
Wow.
My name is Lizzie Velasquez. I'm 24 years old. I think the most I've ever weighed in my 24 years is 64 pounds. The condition that I have is to this day still undiagnosed. We are only aware of 2 other people in the world. I'm the 3rd one. We don't know how I got it. We don't know why I can't gain weight. The very first time that I realized something was different about me was when I started kindergarten. The kids who were in my class were very confused as to why I didn't look like them. When I started middle school, every time I would go out, I was so self-conscious to where I couldn't even enjoy myself. Adults would just stop pointing and giggling and looking at me like in disgust. It really, really got to me. When I was in high school, I was at home exploring YouTube. When I saw a little thumbnail, I didn't know that by clicking on this little thumbnail that it was going to be something that changed my life completely. I clicked on the video and it said the world's ugliest woman, and that's when I saw that there were over 4.5 million views, and instantly my stomach dropped.
In her first television interview since her incredibly moving TED Talk, please welcome Lizzie Velasquez. Hi, Lizzie. You know, I think you only have to spend
All
about
right,
5
all right. That's not actually the video from Katie show. Yes, now there we see this particular video. Now this particular girl, she not allow the bully where she dey get from people say she did very, very ugly, weigh her down. Now she don't be motivational speaker.
Wow.
And she don't speak to a lot of people, plenty people. She's 26 years old now and she's doing very, very well. How not say this matter? You don't ever they in a position where you not feel help yourself and how you take care of yourself? Because she don't dey in a position where she just wake up one day, go online, see say they don't name her as the world ugliest.
Who first record her? Who be the person who record her?
It could be her classmates now, people where they
Classmates,
return for
classmates.
school. But for me, we actually, the times where we say, I go say I did very low at my lowest point, or I'm not going to call on depression because I never reached that side. But the
The
times
thing
where,
is, say,
where
Betiana, no, they agree.
No, no,
Say
no, 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 no,
something.
no, no, no.
You need to agree.
no, I don't go agree
no,
with
no,
wetin no
she
be.
can't agree to
No,
depression,
No.
I don't go agree with
Okay,
wetin
depression
never
dey on
happen.
different level.
No,
Depression
no,
dey on different
no,
level,
no,
Betiana.
no, Queen B.
you know
When
what
I
I'm
did
saying?
secondary school, I know they talk like this, but I know besides I did depressed.
Okay.
Yes, I get people who bully me when I did secondary school, and I know they're as vocal as I be now. When back then, people who know me from secondary school, I know one called name before they know say I know they this vocal, and many of them they're surprised now when they see me say, this girl they do TV. I'll manage, how come? But still, it no mean say I go give up on my life. After that phase, I begin talk to myself, say, okay, why people go they look at me like this? Why then go they look down at me? Because I am a beautiful girl. I'm not gonna let anybody trample down on me. So that one alone, na my own wake up call. Say, person where they talk to me anyhow, waiting be the difference. And it go surprise you to know that say about 80% of all those people where been they look down on me for secondary school now them they beg to be my friends now.
Yes, no, wait, I know argue that.
But if I did depressed at that time, I know
Yeah.
sure say I go come out of them the way I don't come out of them.
No.
And
It's possible you'll come outside.
No.
Maybe I know they depressed now by force.
No, I don't say
one.
depressed. I say, when you analyze some, listen to what I talk. You don't say no. Make you understand. No,
not talking about
understand what
depression,
they
but not
talk.
talking about depression.
No.
Depression is too deep a word to
It's
use.
low. Why would they always do this one? See, there are level where you are depressed at a particular time. Maybe you just drink water and you get off it. But it's still depression.
No.
Depression is depression.
I feel they're sad, but
you
I know
don't-
they're depressed.
You don't change. No.
You
It
don't
is.
say that.
I
It
feel
is.
they're
No.
sad,
There's
not me
difference
side they're
between
depressed.
low.
Yes,
No,
I they feel
depression.
low,
When
I they
you
feel
feeling
sad.
low is
But I know they're depressed. No.
Queen B, do you know what depression is?
I know they're depressed.
You know what? We could actually bring in a doctor here to talk about depression.
Oh, yes.
Now,
For
only
Queen B's
then if
sake.
you understand depression.
Depression, you don't see the person where they're depressed, you know they talk.
When you get to that point of depression,
You know
Queen
they
B,
talk.
But I
nothing
they talk
in this
now.
world go mean to you.
I don't just talk to general. I get people why they talk to.
All right.
I know they're
All right.
depressed.
I'm
Sorry.
not
I don't want to talk about depression because I raise
No
depression.
way,
I'm
no
not
way.
going to start depression. I
talk about this story.
I'm going to talk about maybe some other time.
Yes,
we go
please.
bring them up again.
Yes,
then we
of
go
course.
call help those people out there. We still also at the same time get the small misunderstanding of depression and being sad. So we go fit break them out. Right about now, I think we want.
All right.
Enter break
We
again.
will actually need to go on one small break. When we come back, that's our guests can go inside this studio.
Surprise guest.
Our surprise guest to them.
They go inside the studio when they come back.
Sooner.
My name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party. Oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And una dey watch Talk Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo, make all these guests they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Mono Woro, Magic Kaniko, Diane Duro.
All right, my name na Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me. Una dey watch Talk Talk. You know now, people like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. That oh yeah, keep watching Talk Talk now.
Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwaji Lo, and I talk now they watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
We get Meg Otawa for inside the building, and we get Caribe Fubawa for inside the building.
Yes,
Una
yes.
welcome very, very plenty.
Thank
This
you.
Una movie, it today Oyibo, so say, I know whether na Oyibo I won't speak, I mean, a kitchen I won't speak. How far? How the journey so far for that movie? Because the movie don't get plenty buzz, and I go proudly say this is not one of the first movies where they see for inside Nigeria. We don't start since. Like I say, they start the shoot since 2012.
Not series, not TV series.
TV series.
So you go, they show
But now
for a very
since
long time.
2012, I know many TV series where then they air for television, where then they do under 6 months, under 3 months. So why this one day different?
Well, maybe if Nasi, I'm not going to understand why they're different, because the process been started since 2012, and we just finally finished now. We say it will come out on the 22nd of that's on Sunday, coming Sunday.
Wow.
I guess the only way we fit explain now, by just showing it. If people see them, then go understand how it take 3 years to do them.
My people, I go add another one.
Yes,
I go add another one. You know, when your mama they cook better soup, when your mama they cook that better soup, for me, when they cook it go take small time. You don't go tell anything, go rush. You know, you go, what they call this thing, KFC. No, that 2 minutes. No, so as they prepare this one, that's why we package this program for you. And to be honest, the whole thing was done here in Nigeria.
Wow.
To get that quality, just as we did here at this studio, where people will say, but I say we did London, and they see light, camera, I don't even know where I go look.
London
if I did this studio with me, I go laugh, die. I say, I don't feel itself to sit down where I know. This
Balance.
Okay, but
free.
no, that was the process. They really, the directors, the producers, everybody just wanted to make sure we make Nigeria proud. Say, if anybody wants to see this thing, they will know, say, people did this country.
Yes.
We're not a stepchild to anybody. We can do the best of the best.
All right, still on that note, this particular new series, Before 13. Now, you talk, say, if mama want cook soup, you need to settle down, cook the soup very well, put all the ingredients and everything. Now, what thing go make us want eat the soup? Because I don't know whether they sense well or not they sense well. I don't know whether they sense well.
Okay, to start with, the people where they this show, the finest people, the finest guys and the girls where they the industry, and then food the series. Like Damilola Adegbite.
And I don't see that one. Big. Should they give you 1 and 2, 5 and 6?
Beverly Naya. Annie Icha.
Annie, brand new.
Myself.
She's...
And the guys. Hey, the former Mr. Nigeria himself, Kenneth Okoli. And the prince of the industry right now, OC Ukeje.
Big shout out to OC. I try small.
Patrick, very beautiful actor, gorgeous guy. Patrick Duabois. He played my husband in the series.
Now just for TV, husband for TV.
To catch you.
So we'll talk about that particular role where you play now. What's it all about?
Okay, then for the series, I played the character called Aisha. Aisha she be northerner, she be Muslim. But she gets some kind sides where be say, to gel with her religion and her culture. So the audience go see how she did battle to remain that, exposed, educated, fun-loving and fun-seeking person. And this other person where she's supposed to be, supposed to be submissive to her husband, anything with the husband wants, then she go do, she's not supposed to drink and all those things. So she represents the Hausa woman where people know they see, the side of the Hausa woman where people know they see. So she's a very, very interesting character. And not only her marry of the 4.
Wow.
The show is about 4 different ladies going through different things in life.
Like the Talk women. And Talk get one way they marry. No, Talk get one way they marry. And Talk get 3 way no they marry. No, I'll show you that.
How you take me?
I don't do my research.
So what be your role for inside?
Okay, as my role way they inside, they say the role they for Talk. So I suppose come catch one. So I play Akin.
Okay.
Very. He's an area boy, but it's small. They don't
So very like an area boy.
I'm a Niger Delta boy. People don't know. I'm from the creeks. All my militant shouts. When I did. Let me shoot one for him. Beg.
Okay.
Peace.
Okay, but I want to actually ask, because yesterday we get relationship experts for inside the building, and coincidentally, we did talk about mature women we never marry for inside society. So, on your own personal notes, apart from the movie, what do you feel are the reasons where we get plenty mature women for society we never catch their fish or shark?
Nice way of putting it. Well, the thing is, when it comes to relationships, and the thing, easy. Because we talk of two independent human beings. So people get likes and differences. Me, I just feel, on my own opinion, no, I think it's better to just, if you never see the perfect person, just wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Just stay. Okay. When the time is right, the right one will come.
On a serious note, whether we like it or not, our country, now the women, they drive the country.
Okay.
To be very frank, if you want to see where a culture is going, look at the women in the culture, because now they raise us. So I for one, want women who are comfortable with who they are. So if it means, you're not going to feel married at 25 because you never sabi who you date, no problem. But I know that clock, they tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
For women especially.
You must
So with this question where she asks now, if it tell us how you sync yourself, enter that role where you act.
To begin with, the writing was so good because, like you said, it's an issue we're all facing. Whether you're a man or woman, this idea of who do you marry and what do you do, and your career, do you give to this person or do you join as one? So the writing was very good, but at the same time, when you approach the character, you for me, is to try to start relating to what is this person passing through, and what part of me has passed through this same thing, or what part of other people that I sabi have passed through this thing. So bringing that so that it is authentic, so that it be like say person feel relate to him. Person go feel understand. I know that person, and so that was the journey for me.
All right, so this soup we done the cook in 2012. When it will come out? Because we need to see it. When it will come out?
Finally, they come out on the 22nd of March. And you go there everywhere. Go also there Cool TV.
Cool TV.
You go there this TV.
Wazobia.
Wow, Wazobia.
Okay. Now the two, all the others I don't care. Now these two.
You get waiting with they do on top of our show, where they call them talk the talk and do the but because time don't go, I will give them a very simple something. Make them just tell us three things where your fans don't know about you. Personal things where they say they go say,
give it time.
No, take 10 seconds.
Okay.
Go.
One. I love rings.
Okay.
2, heels. I don't get flats for my house. 4, I love handbags.
Okay.
One. I have a lot of siblings. I am training for a marathon. Hey, Chineke, God. I'm a child of God.
Who not be child of God?
Hey, you. I don't say
Now you tell you the last one where you know put for inside.
No, all right, thanks, Devonta. You come to our studio, and they look forward to before 30.
Thank you very much.
A very bunch, and then we hope we could get to again inside the studio.
When the thing don't heat up, when everybody don't chop and well, we'll come back again.
Okay, time don't go, but we are going to just read 2 tweets.
No, maybe we go on break first.
Make we go on break?
Yes, love.
Okay, maybe we go on break. Oh, we say make we hold.
Maybe we go on break because Queen Bee needs to come inside. Will they come back after this break?
Okay.
My name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party. Oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And now they watch Talk Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo. Make all these guys they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Monoworo.
All right, my name is Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me, when they watch Talk Talk, now, people like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem.
All right, welcome back. And thanks so much to our guests who enter inside the studio. Time
Our
done is
guests.
for You Sabi Say. So every Tuesday with the sunshine, now You Sabi Say, we go just give you one or two. Now You Sabi Say dreamt will be DREAMT. Now the only word will end with empty. You know I'm before. So now you know. So now you know. Also, You Sabi Say if you try to say the alphabet without saying you move your lips or your tongue, all of them go sound the same way. Try and Betiana. Not move your lips, not move your tongue. You see everything that sounds the same way. So now you know. Now you know.
Okay, Uwe, our tweet because time don't really go. We got tweet from at Jerry Rume. In say at Talk was over. If I give my life to Christ, everything will become new. At Miriam 530.
As regards the cocoa
of the day. As regards cocoa of the day. At Miriam 530, as regards the letters from our viewers, she says make she tell the man, but no introduce him to the child, because that one will affect their relationship. At Imam Bonu 22 talks say, go better make she open up. I know say easy, but the future they very, very important.
All right, thanks a bunch to all those who don't send us message. Continue to send your message. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. We're there for Facebook, Talk Wazobia. Follow us for Facebook, and we will relate with you on top Facebook. My name is Sirumen Uvi Ehiga Musoe, and we go meet you tomorrow. Will be our family day.
Yes, my name is Sirumen Betiana Unweli. Una get very blessed day. Mwah.
My name is Namaka Okudiafo. Una good afternoon. Bye-bye.
My own name is Sirumen Queen B Obalu. Say go be.
And as we always they talk, not be bad thing, but
make you know what you talk about.